Good morning, guys, from my yard in Canberra. I hope all is well at your end. The cold season led to an unexpected Saturday morning magic for my kids today. I had an unattended step stool in my yard, and we had rain last night. Quite heavy rain. See how the water turned to a block of ice. See, kids, how the water turned to a block of ice. Now Rayya and Nikolita are undertaking an experiment to see how long does it take for the ice to melt in both yard and room temperatures. I wish all the best for their experiment. I hope their experiment will take them to answers. Bye bye, tata.